Welcome to WebSolvers. In this video, I will show you where is Clipboard on Android and how to use Clipboard in Android. To do that, open any application that you can type in. Press typing area to open up keyboard. Press three dots, that is more button, on keyboard. And there you will find this clipboard icon. Press that and Clipboard will be opened. From here you can use saved text. To use any snippet or text, press it and it will appear here. Just like so. To save any text in the clipboard, type the text, select all, copy, and it will be copied to clipboard. And here is the recent text that was copied. If you can't find more settings, and if you are unable to access Clipboard from here, you can long press screen or text area and select Clipboard option to see the clipboard. Whatever text you can copy will be saved in the clipboard, and from clipboard you can access the text, use it or delete it. To delete the text from the clipboard, select the text and press delete icon. Now, I'm using Samsung keyboard, that is default keyboard on my Samsung phone. If you can't find more option on keyboard, you might want to look at which keyboard are you using on your phone. So from phone settings, search keyboard, select keyboard list and default, again keyboard list and default. And here is the keyboard that I'm using, default keyboard, Samsung keyboard. I can change that by pressing default keyboard and select Gboard, if I prefer Gboard. So if you have multiple keyboards in your phone, you can change default keyboard from here. And then you can see if you can access the more option to access the clipboard. If not, just long press around text and then select clipboard option to bring up clipboard. Okay, so this is how you can access clipboard, use clipboard or change keyboard on Android. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.